Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm gonna actually show you how to add YouTube link to your WhatsApp status. So first let's go to YouTube. Let's check for a video that I want to add to the status section. For example, just scroll in for a video. So click on the video.
Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to go to the boot menu of this Asus R554.
Now I'm gonna actually go to the status section there. So I'm actually on status. Then I'm gonna click on the pencil icon there. So I'm gonna actually type a title for that video. Now let's click on enter. I'm gonna actually post that link, or paste I should actually say. So that is the link. Now the text, you can actually change the style of the text. It should be boot menu. Right, so just tap on the T to change the style of the text. Now I actually like that style, so let's click on that green button that seems to be a play button that actually should rise. So the status should be in the status now. Let's wait for it. Just waiting for it to come across. Right, so here we go. Tap. Let's do it again. Just want to show that yes, it actually worked. Now it is actually the link that you must actually click on. Just waiting for it to go right across to that one that I would have just post. Right, so tap on the link as you can see there, and then you're now actually on the YouTube page. So that's it. So that's how you actually share a link or YouTube link on your WhatsApp status. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.